How to add other story to my story on Instagram without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of TechTube. Now whenever you are tagged in a story, you can just open up any story and you would have a section called add it to your story on the bottom. But in the case when you are not tagged in a story, to add it to your own story, either you need to take a screenshot of it if it is a picture, but however if it is a video, you can easily download these stories or these videos from a third-party website. So what you need to do is open up your web browser first, search for storysaver.net, and it's going to take you to this section or this website from where you can download stories. So in this section, just type in the username of the account that you're trying to download the story of, and then you can tap on download. It's going to show you the number of stories that they have added in, whether they be photos or videos. Now either you can tap on save photo or save video if it is a video, and this photo or video story will be downloaded to your device, and this way you can easily upload it manually to your own story on Instagram. Now this method would not work if that person's Instagram is private. It would only work and you'd be able to only download those videos or photo stories if they have a public account. In the case of a private account, the only thing that you can do if it is a video is screen record it. So you can screen record first and then play that story. That is the only way that you can add those stories as your own on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos just like this.